Hi! It's Shai, ang resident deputy ng CDC. So, for this week 11 of Weekly Rights, we're going to talk about my top 5 pieces of advice I wish I knew during the first week of classes to better prepare myself for the Hellmester. Joke. Hindi Hellmester guys, semester. Ang pag-aaral ay pribilehiyo, hindi dapat yan hinahel-hel. In all seriousness, yun nga, ang pag-aaral ay pribilehiyo. It is a privilege na mahirapan sa pag-aaral kasi hindi lahat ng tao nakapag-aaral. So, ito nga, before we start, I just want to say or emphasize dito sa buong video na ito na college is really overwhelming because it's very unlike high school. Sabi nila sa senior high, they'll prepare you for the worst, prepare you for college or whatnot. Pero, na totoo lang, the first month was still very like war shock. I think senior high school didn't prepare me for college at all. Ayun, these are the things I wish I knew before starting the school year. With all of that out of the way, let's get on to the video. So first thing or first advice ko talaga is don't be afraid to know nothing. Ayun talaga. So, okay lang magkamali. Okay lang mawala. Okay lang mablanko sa exam. Okay lang na kapag nagdi-discuss yung prof, first thing, una niya sasabihin sa bibig niya, hindi mo alam. Kasi that's what college is supposed to be about learning. It's not just, learning academically, pero alam mo yun, socially and everything, sakop niya lahat. Second is, don't be afraid to fall flat and fail. This is not in terms of 5, pero I want to tell you na ang first quiz ko ay itlog. Grabe, yung first quiz namin is very humbling. Doon mo talaga masasabi na grabe, humbling ang college. Kasi first quiz pa lang namin, grabe, parang tulala na si ate. Pero, don't be afraid to fail. Kasi, yun yung, isa sa mga bagay na mali sa atin. Yun nga, as media writers, we need to expect the unexpected. We need to expect na may mga blockage sa daan natin when we want to pass through something. You have to be prepared for everything. Hindi naman lahat ng bagay is gonna go accordingly. So, I think it is best, to be brave. Alam mo yun, kahit you fail, kung 0 man ang quiz mo, mababa man ang exams mo, kahit nag-aral ka, laban lang, meron pang susunod na araw, may susunod pang quizzes, may susunod pang exercises, may susunod pang exams, at meron ka pang way para mag-beg sa prof mo kung paano pataasin yung grade mo. Third is don't be afraid to ask for help. Ayun, befriend your course mates, befriend your super classmates. Kahit wala kang super classmates, ngayong first sem, befriend the people na laging mo makikita or yung mga taong sa tingin mo magiging ka-close mo sa klase na yun. Tapos, also, do not be afraid to ask for your prof's help using the consultation hours. Ayan, very very important talaga ng consultation hours. Kaya nga sila naglalagay doon kasi alam nilang madaming tanong yung estudyante nila in terms of like topics or mostly exercises na gagawin. They set these consultation hours para you know when to bother them with your questions. If you really need help, ask for it. Hindi mo kailangan sarilihin yung mga problema mo or yung mga paghihirap mo sa college kasi there are people around you that are also struggling, and why not struggle with them? Diba? It's the more the merrier. Also, I want to add na asking for help does not mean you're weak. Ayan. If nung high school, ikaw yung pinagtatanungan, huwag kang mahiya na baguhin yun. Ikaw naman yung nagtatanong. Kasi there are people around you that always want to help. Alam mo yun? College is a community. Sana totoo. Charot. Pero yun, college is a community, so never be afraid to ask for help. Fourth, collaborate with your group mates. Ito yung isa sa mga pinakamahirap kasi sometimes, mostly dito is that wala kayong block kasi or sectionings. Kapag nagkaroon ng grouping, hindi mo siya kilala yung mga magiging kagrupo mo. So, my advice is yung ginawa namin katulad ng DevC10 course namin is that we got to know them first before doing an activity, like academic activity. Kasi that way, parang may familiarity na or may pagkakakilala na kayo sa isa't isa, tanggal lahat nung unfamiliarity kapag kilala mo yung pangalan nila, like some little facts about them, just get to know them before you collaborate. Typically is that kung sino yung group mates mo, parang assigned siya, parang for the whole sem. So, get to know them para mas mapadali yung buhay mo when it comes to group activities kasi hindi natatapos sa senior high yan. Like, madami talagang group activities sa college. So, wish you all the best. The last tip is that don't cram. Sinabi ko na nga yun sa previous video ko na yun yung pinaka common problem sa students is that we cram. Huwag niyong sabihin na, I'm most productive when I'm like under pressure. Like a tip is that as much as possible, kapag wala naman masyadong pinapagawa, kapag may activity na biglang lumitaw, please do it kapag kaya nyo agad. Do it early kasi nasa huli ang pagsisisi. Look at this weekly rights. Look at this. Kinakaram ko siya ngayon. Pero no, we grow and we learn from our mistakes. So I hope na di na makapag-cram the next time. Pero yon, deadlines are given for a reason. Hindi lang siya because naghahabol sa semester or whatever. So yun yung dapat yung isipin na kapag matagal-tagal yung deadline, isipin nyo na, it's mahirap. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you learn from my notes. Ito talaga yung notes to self ko kasi ang hirap ng college. Di ko na kinakaya. Pero yun, kakayanin at kakayanin. Scholar ng bayan para sa bayan. Let's go. Isipin nyo lagi na isang pribilehiyo ang mag-aral kasi hindi nga lahat tayo nakakapag-aral. Tapos, it's a given extra na you get educated here for free. So, huwag nyo sayangin yan. Bawat activity, bawat discussion, bawat lectures, yan yung isipin nyo. Scholar kayo. Huwag nyo sayangin yung buwis natin sa mga bagay na hindi naman magkakaroon ng magandang dulot. Ayun naman. Thank you guys for watching and I hope to see you next week. Bye!